Okay, today we're going to look at a really nice Zippo that I just got in. Alright, now this one came in the protective sleeve, and it says Harley Davidson on the sleeve. Now this is a collectible box. As you can see, it's got the Harley logo on it. And it also says Zippo Antique Copper. Also says Harley Davidson on the back. This is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Also, the insert of the box is collectible. It's got some Harley information there, but there's the Harley Davidson logo there. It's also got the Zippo. So here is the copper Harley Davidson Zippo. Now that design is etched onto the body. The Screaming Eagle. This is a really nice one. This was made in, looks like J of 17. So I think that's about October of last year. Good stampings. Got kind of a shadow on the stampings there. Really good sound. Lights up nice. Harley has their logo on quite a few Zippos. Here's another one. I have quite a few, but here's a pretty good one, that green. That's a nice one. So let's do a drop test on this copper Zippo. So the copper Harley Zippo passes the drop test. I don't think I have more than about 2 copper Zippos, but this is a really nice one. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell, being made in the USA. Knuckle bump.